Come on, move!
Three days, unless you hear from me different.
We're dealing with the crash and bash. Four-man team.
First time being robbed, no fun, right?
Major crimes be heading up investigations. Belmont, bear with Chris.
Hey, sorry, can we talk about this?
Hell no.
I was not sure you could pull it off.
We are not finished, Michael.
This wasn't the deal.
I had to convince my sister to spare you.
There's another job. She said she'd kill every last one of us if we don't get this thing.
Four-man crew. Who's that fourth guy?
We gotta wait to make this happen.
We could pull a 999.
999? What is that?
Yeah, it means the cop's been killed. Every cop in the city runs toward that call. We'd have all damn day.
You all right?
I'm good. You?
Does anyone believe maybe something very big is about to go down?
There's gotta be a different way.
I don't have a problem taking out a cop. I'll do a cop just like him.
Your job, out-monster the monster. Get home at the end of the night.
There's no limit to what desperate men will do when pushed.
Officer down.
Who's that? You must be new. That is Bruce Wayne.
Mr. Wayne. Clark Kent, Daily Planet.
What's your position on the Bat Vigilante in Gotham? Civil liberties are being trampled on in your city. People living in fear. He thinks he's above the law.
The Daily Planet criticizing those who think they're above the law is a little hypocritical. What'd you say? Considering every time your hero saves a cat out of a tree, you read a puff-piece editorial about an alien who could burn the whole place down.
Most of the world doesn't share your opinion, Mr. Wayne.
Maybe it's Gotham City and me. We just have a bad history with freaks dressed like clowns.
Boys! Bruce Wayne meets Clark Kent. I love it. I love bringing people together. How are we?
Lex.
Hi, hello, Lex. It is a pleasure. Ow! Wow, that is a good grip. You should not pick a fight with this person. You know the oldest lie in America, Senator? Is that power can be innocent.
You're gonna go to war. That son of a bitch brought the war to us.
You know you can't win this. It's suicide.
The greatest gladiator match in the history of the world. Son of Krypton versus Bat of Gotham.
You're psychotic.
That is a three-syllable word for any thought too big for little minds.
It's time you learn what it means to be a man.
Stay down! If I wanted it, you'd be dead already.
Man won't kill God. The devil will do it.
What have you done? She with you?
I thought she was with you.
Pewnego razu ubogi chłopak spotkał księżniczkę.
Wyśpiewaj całe piękno, melodia w duszy gra, słowami, które porwę cię i będziesz moja.
Nie spocznę, póki cię nie wyrwę z zamkniętego snu lodowej góry. Snu bez nadziei i pomocy.
Śmiałkowi, który ją uratuje, dam królewską koronę, a razem z nią moją córkę za żonę.
Królu, zbudujemy rusztowanie sięgające nieba. Wtrapiemy się po nim i ściągniemy księżniczkę na ziemię.
Złoty koń uwolni was wszystkich!
Musisz stanąć ze mną do walki!
Młodzieniec okaże się prawdziwym bohaterem. Złoty koń.
Wkrótce zastuka kopytami w twoim kinie.